Hello students, today we see a complete analysis of simple present tense, its definition, usage and related examples. First of all, we see the definition of simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe habits, unchanging situation, general truth, and fixed arrangement. Then we see related formulas. First one, if the sentence is in affirmative form, means in positive form, then the related formula is subject plus V1. V1 means verb 1 plus object. If the sentence is in negative form, then the formula is subject plus don't or doesn't plus V1 plus object. If the sentence is in an interrogative form, then the formula is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. Next we see definition of affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence means positive sentence. And related formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. Now we see related examples in separate columns. In the first column, singular. In the second column, plural. I run fast. Here, I is the subject. Run is a verb. And fast is an adverb. It means there is no object here. The plural form of this is we run fast. Next one, you run fast. It changes to you run fast. Same. Third one, he runs fast. Dear students, see here, whenever he or she or it, the verb takes yes form. Same as it is, she runs fast. Next one, it runs fast. So, the plural form of these sentences is they run fast. Next one, negative sentence. Here also two columns. In the first column singular and in the second column plural. I don't run fast. It changes to we don't run fast. Next one, you don't run fast. In plural form, same. You don't run fast. And next one, he doesn't run fast. Then she doesn't run fast. It doesn't run fast. The plural form of these sentences is they don't run fast. Here, one point you keep it in mind. Whenever I, we, you, they, we use don't. And whenever he, she, it, we use doesn't form. Now we see about an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means it includes questions. Okay. And the related formula is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. Now we'll take an example. Do I run fast? The plural form of this one. Do we run fast? Next, do you run fast? Plural form. Do you run fast? Next we see, does he run fast? Then, does he run fast? Last one, does it run fast? Plural form, do they run fast? Based on your learning, I have given a task for you. The task is to complete the following paragraph by using given words. The task is like this. Everybody knows slow and steady wins the race. Somebody tries to move slowly, but some people want to move at a faster pace. One of the students in my class is Jairaj. In this sentence, I used is verb form because in so many students, I am talking about only one student. So, is the right answer. He is very industrious and energetic. He feels that in India, everybody wants. Everybody means it refers singular and it refers about person. So we used there wants to get success. But a few work. Few means more than one. So we used a verb work. Diligently. They opine that time and tide wait. For avails for none. So everybody needs to work round the clock to make India stronger and better.